The year 2024-25 has been a meaningful and memorable chapter in the journey of Sri Sarada Math-Rasik Bhita. As the institute completes 25 years since its founding in November 1999, it looks back with gratitude and ahead with quiet determination. What began as a modest initiative at the place blessed by the visits of Sri Ramakrishna has grown into a full-fledged vocational training institute where women from all walks of life come to learn, to grow, and to discover their own strength. This year saw the unfolding of many significant developments. Among them was a special pilot training program for visually impaired girls at Rasik Bhita's 490 Damdam Park premises. Designed to build both practical skills and self-reliance, the program included training in computers, English communication, smartphone use and mobility. Supported by M Junction CSR Wing and guided by Enable India Bangalore, the project touched the lives of 14 young women who were looking for a way to move forward with dignity and independence. With a vision to scale up this project, Rasik Bhita purchased a land just opposite its main building at Dakshineshwar in June. Here, a new inclusive training center will be built, one where sighted and visually impaired students will learn together, equipping themselves for a bright future. In continuation with this, we take this opportunity to extend our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to all our generous friends, well-wishers, donors, people whom we know, many people whom we do not know, companies, NGOs, for contributing in purchasing the land for the upcoming project. Responding to the changing needs of learners, this year, Rasik Bhita also launched a few new courses with the option of online training. With topics like business English, interview readiness, basic coding, and generative AI, the online platform offers job-oriented learning that's flexible and far-reaching, connecting students in remote areas to expert trainers they might otherwise would have never met. A particularly proud moment came on 31st January 2025 when Rasik Bhita hosted its first ever job fair. 10 companies from diverse sectors, including consultancy, digital marketing, BPO, and finance, participated in the event. A total of 232 young women from Rasik Bhita and other institutes attended, many of whom received direct interview calls and shortlisting. It was a day filled with hope, confidence, and new possibilities. Throughout the year, workshops and seminars offered students exposure to new ideas and practical insights.
একটু সাটল একটু সূক্ষ্ম হয়তো এই বডি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ কিন্তু নোটিস করলে না অনেক কিছু চোখে পড়ে যে না বোধহয় আমি একটু বেশি বলছি।
These included a session on artificial intelligence and ChatGPT,
এখন যেটা আমাদের বুঝতে হবে কি as human being যে বললো human,
a seminar on popular science featuring renowned scholars,
পপুলার সায়েন্সের সাথে সাথে শিক্ষাকে নিয়ে যেতে হবে স্যার। পপুলার সায়েন্স তো শিক্ষা বাদ দিয়ে হবে না, সুতরাং শিক্ষা এবং পপুলার সায়েন্স এই দুটোকেই একসাথে নিয়ে
coaching for personal and professional growth by Sri Bishwajit Mitro, English workshop by Professor Shumita Roy.
The more we get frightened, the better we can speak. So confidently. And second is effective.
In its core training programs, Rasik Bhita remained deeply committed to its mission. Nearly 1,000 students enrolled in courses in computers, communicative English and soft skills, offered as part of NSDC's Skill Development Initiative. Most students came from underprivileged backgrounds and many received financial support in the form of full or partial fee waivers. Classes were held at Dokkineshwar and Damdam Park as well as in other institutions, namely Ramakrishna Sarada Mission Vivekananda Vidya Bhavan College, Ramakrishna Sarada Mission Sister Nivedita Girls School and Ramakrishna Sarada Mission Shiksha Mandir Baruipara. In the financial year 2024-25, 330 students started their professional careers after completing training in various job roles in different reputed companies, while a few became self-employed or further upskilled themselves to pursue advanced career opportunities. It is mention-worthy that an emerging trend of entrepreneurship has been noticed amongst recent batches of students. In April, Mr. Bikram Kumar Das, State Engagement Officer of National Skill Development Corporation, visited Rasik Bhita and encouraged students to register on the official NSDC job portal, opening up a wider world of employment and training opportunities. The regular rhythm of Rasik Bhita's academic and cultural life continued as well. The annual Flash Drama competition was held in March with English skits written, designed and performed by the students themselves. A moving highlight of the event was the performance by a group of visually impaired students from Vivek Drishti project. The students also enthusiastically participated in the annual function of the institute and the rally held on the occasion of Youth Day.
This story is about poor Haru and his wife who lived in a small village.
Regular cultural heritage classes and study circles were also held to nurture the ethical and spiritual foundation of its students. Vivek Library, the public library and reading room at Rasik Bhita's Damdam Park premises, served 42 members apart from the regular students. Being a partner of the International Award for Young People for more than 2 decades, this year, Rasik Bhita sent 29 candidates for expedition at Bisinda village, Bankura, West Bengal. Among these 29 candidates, 9 were visually impaired students. The institute is also grateful for the generous CSR contributions it received this year. Donations from D Local, Everett Industries India Limited and Webel helped upgrade computer labs and ensure access of students to the latest tools and technologies. It is indeed mention-worthy this year Adobe has created an opportunity for the DTP, multimedia and website designing students of Rasik Bhita by providing 50 licenses of Adobe Creative Cloud Education version absolutely free of cost. Recognition came from many quarters. Rasik Bhita received awards from Tally Education for excellence in counseling and content access and an appreciation award from M Junction for its long-standing partnership, support that has continued for over a decade and helped many students step into the professional world. True to its values, Roshik Bhita also continued its welfare efforts, distributing puja garments, offering scholarships and transport support, and conducting free English coaching. As this 25-year-old journey reaches a turning point, Roshik Bhita reflects not just what has been accomplished, but on the many paths yet to be travelled. Through all its activities, Roshik Bhita strives towards a single goal: to impart higher values of life and inculcate faith in oneself. Roshik, as depicted on the mural at the entrance of the institute, reflects the attitude with which the work is undertaken, as an offering at the Master's feet.